Welcome to our guide on how to set up a gaming room on a low budget. First things first, let's talk about budget-friendly furniture options that won't break the bank. Consider secondhand stores, thrift shops, or online marketplaces to find great deals. Look for a desk that provides enough space for your gaming equipment without taking up too much room. Don't forget a comfortable chair. You can often find budget-friendly gaming chairs or even office chairs that work well. Next, let's enhance the atmosphere with some budget-friendly lighting options. String lights or LED strips are not only affordable but also create a cozy gaming environment. Consider using RGB lighting to add some personality and flair to your gaming space. Now, let's talk about accessories to personalize your space without spending too much. Wall art or posters of your favorite games can make a huge difference in how the room feels. DIY projects can also help you create unique decor that fits your style and budget. Finally, remember that organization is key. Look for affordable storage solutions to keep your gaming area tidy. With these tips, you can create a fantastic gaming room that looks great and feels comfortable without spending a fortune.